Is your Windows 11 PC taking forever to start? What if I told you that you can make it boot faster in 1 minute without installing anything? Let me show you how. Click on Start. Open Settings. Now select Apps. Then click on Startup. Here, you'll see list of apps that launch when your PC starts. All you need to do is to turn off the apps you don't need right away. Now, if you want a bit more control, here's another way. Right-click on taskbar. Select Task Manager. Then click on Startup Apps. Simply select the app and click on Disable. Or you can right-click and select Disable. Don't disable your antivirus or important system apps. Only disable apps you don't want to start automatically. And that's it. Restart your PC and you should notice faster boot time. See you in the next video.